Howdy folks, we're live at 9:25 p.m. battling for Jesse's EV99 and Barada figures. I got 115 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. I'm going to copy them here. It's like winner gets them both. Paste them in here. Should be 115, and there is. In a moment, I will roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. We got to go at least 5. We got 10, so we're golden. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Brandon, round 1. Don, 2. Mike, 3. Matt, 4. Chris, 5. Beetlejuice, 6. Josh, 7. Oleg, 8. Matt in the top spot, 4 hour. Next to last round. Round 9, which brings us to the last round. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Josh in at number 108. Congratulations, Josh. Here's the verification code. QMUMUV. Josh in at number 8's the winner. I'm done at 9:26. As seen here. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winner. See you guys. Thanks.